friends, how are you? I'm Mr. Tariqul Islam. Today I have come in front of you with another tutorial, and our topic will be Python operators. And in these sessions we'll be learning a few new concepts based on these Python operators, and we all know there are there is during our study period while we studied in school and college, we have come to know about few operators, and among them there were arithmetic operators, assignment operators, then comparison operators, logical operators, then identity operators, membership operators, and bitwise operators. Those who are from computer science background, they have already learned these bitwise operators and logical operators. So, and also we had some a bit study, or we had a bit studied on membership and identity operators as well. So what is called operators? Operators, the simple thing which operates. Which operates between two objects to make some expressions, to make some relationships. Say for examples, I want to add 10 and 5. So what I have to do? I have to use any operators in between them. That is, either it is a plus sign, or it is minus sign, or it is division, or it is multiplications, or there are something we have to use to make a relationship in order to get a desired result. So these something, or these sign, or these operators, or this thing which operates are to make a relationship between two objects, this is called operator. This is something third party relationships or bridging that creates some bridge between two objects or two things. So in a very general sense, this is called operators. And today we will be learning in details about these operators, and primarily we will be learning on these 7 operators. Like I already have told, that is arithmetic operators, that is assignment operators, that is comparison operators, this is logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, and bitwise operators. So there are 7 operators today we are going to learn in details. At first, we will start with arithmetic operators. So what are arithmetic operators? That is plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, then exponentials, then float divisions. Okay, I will gradually, one by one, I will actually discuss with this. Say for example, uh, if I declare any value x equal to 5 and y equal to 8, then z equal to x plus y. So if I want to sum up or add up these two values, I need to use any operators, and this plus sign is a operators out of that. uh, Yes, now I think more visible. So this plus sign will act as an operators, and if I print this z, then output will be 13. So what is that? That is, these operators had a bridge between these two objects like x and y, and formed any new expressions, or form any new result or desired result we had been looking for. So this is actually called operators. So if I use another operators called subtractions or minus sign, then the result will come -3. If we multiply these, then we have to use star sign, then this is going to come 40. If I want to use division in between them, the result is going to come 0.625. Then if I want to use these modulus operations, the modulus of this 0, that is the resultant of these two value after after having a division, the result is coming 0. That's why this has come 0. And or another thing, we can actually we can have exponent like x to the power 2 or x to the power 3 or 2 to the power 2 or 2 to the power 3. So to do so, we have to use double star. Double star means x to the power something else. So for example, x to the power 8, that is 5 to the power 8, it means 39006 to 5. So easily using these operators, we can calculate these operations. Okay, and this is all about, this is the division and this is float divisions. Okay, and this is modulus. This is modulus. That is the mod of these is 5. So then this is called modulus. Okay, if this comes, then the mod of this x and y will be 5. So these are things are very basic things. We learned this very early stage of our school, and today just we are going to learn how we can use this expression in the Python language. After that, we will be learning assignments operator. Assignments means assign something to engage something with some results. Say for example, these equal signs x equal to 5. It means this 5 value is assigned to x. Okay. Then plus x, that is x plus 3. That what does it mean? X equal to x plus 3. So as when we will be using for loop or while loop, then these x plus things, that is for looping things, that is for in order to iterate something, these or in order to increase a value from is initial value to next value, we will be very much using these assignments operators. And plus equal to, it means x plus equal to 3, it means x equal to x plus 3. Okay, then minus equal to same thing, that's the that is x minus equal to 3. The meaning of this is x equal to x minus 3. Then exponent same, then modulus same, the division same. There is another things called modulus, also the same expressions. Then float division also, as well as then exponential as well as the same. This is called multiplications. Okay, and this is and. Okay, let's see what does is x equal to x and 3. And I think we have a very good logical things, that is, say for what does this and means. And means two things must occur in order to get the result. Say for example, I and my friend will go to restaurant to have dinner. If any on of us are missing, then we cannot have dinner. That is, the restaurant owner told us or made a condition, that is, I along with my friend has to go there, otherwise I will not get entry into the restaurant. That's why this and operator is where there is two things has to be performed, or two, that is here, that is when in a mathematics things there is 1 x equal to 1, y equal to 1, equal to 1, otherwise rest are 0. Okay, then this is called not operator. Then so there are something we always learn this. Okay, let's see. What is that? I'm sure x equal to 5, then y equal to 3, print x. Let's see, 7, run 7. What does this means? This is coming 7. Actually, what is that? Hello, friends. The meaning of these pipe equal to, it means that is um, it is almost equivalent to say the our previous one, that is plus equal to, but this is bitwise operations, that is in Boolean algebra. That this represents the union or. Okay. Say for example, x equal to 1 to 3, y equal to 2 3 4, and what is going to be the union of these two sets. So in that regards, in order to have bitwise operations, mostly this represents the binary actions. We use this we use this symbol to represent the output in OR format. Okay, then bitwise OR format, and this is bitwise AND format. And I hope you know that is greater than or less than equal to this. When we will learn this thing, when we will learn actually Boolean algebra, then these are almost will be very much familiar with us. And that is another thing we will be learning, that is Python comparison operations. Okay, that is to compare between two objects, or to compare between two things. Say for example, x equal to 5, y equal to 3. So which one is greater and which one is smaller? To identify these things, we use these comparison operators. Say for example, x is equal to y. It means if the value is of x is 5, then definitely the value of y will be 5. And this is not, that is x. Say for example, x is 3 and y is 5. So in that regards, when we will make a output, or when we will go for the result, then definitely the result will be x is not equal to y. Okay, that is less than, greater than, equal to, then less than, equal to, this is greater than. We all know this very well, and well we will be using the functions, or you will that is solve some mathematical problems, then they definitely it will be very easy to use. And just you don't need to memorize these things, just take this a basic concept, and you need to use these, and when you will face some problems, then it will be automatically in your head. Okay, now we will be learning with some logical operations. Already we have learned it is and, or, not. Say for example, x equal to 5 and x equal to 10. So that if these are that is returns true if both statements are true. But actually what will happen, these both statement is not true, because if the x equal to 5, then x cannot be 10. And same goes to war, returns if one of the statement is true. Say for example, x equal to 5 and y equal to 4, and I am asking the I am asking, or I have expressed something, that is if x equal to 5, then print uh, a statement, that is this statement is true. So this is very I have actually what I am learning, what I am actually trying to make you understand, get the concept, then not. Okay, then that result the return false if the result is not true. Okay, then another type of operation or operators are the identity operator, in or is or is not. Say for example, x is y or x is not y. There is something that is, these are the logic we often use in our daily life as well. And another thing is membership, in or not in. Say for example, I have a set where 1 2 3 5, and I want whether 5 is in the set or not. So in or not in, we can use this thing also. Then there are some other, there is bitwise operation, there is and, then I have told you or, and there is XOR, then not, then zero fill left shift. Say for example, I want to fill 0 at the left of any operations. I want to fill right field is 0 at the right, so that I can shift towards left. So if I say, for example, I want to shift something or say a number towards left, then I want to shift something towards right. So indeed, when we need this and when we want to do this, then we have to use this kind of sign. Okay, thus I am trying to make you understand what I want to share these things. These are few concepts we need to keep this in our mind, so that while we'll solve the problems, and while we will assign the value, or while operate something, these are the syntax we'll be using. So this was our today's discussions, and I hope you are clear. If you are not clear, please make a specific questions in the comment box, so that I can answer this. Or if I even don't know, I will learn for you, and definitely I will answer this, and this will help you and me as well to learn this Python language. And we will be very shortly through these common discussions. Uh, uh, e- uh, will be able to learn this these fabulous language, and we will be learning data scientists using these things, because when we'll be analyzing or these things, we need these operators frequently, otherwise we cannot make the expressions. Thank you so much. Thank you for this wonderful sessions you had been with me, and I am really blessed and encouraged that you are subscribing my channel, um, and also liking my video, and this encouraged me, and I hope you are going to be also benefited. Okay, I am actually trying to make this video or tutorial in English, so that it increases my fluency, and also I can express my concept in this language. And this is an uh, this will benefits me for two things. This will be this will increase my English communication skills, and also this will increase my thought process or delivering things. Another thing, I will definitely I'm learning Python, and surely I will have to present my expressions, or present my operations, or present my project in front of someone else. And definitely, if I can if being a global citizen, we must also practice this language, because our data scientists must have this presentation skill. So thank you so much. Thank you very much. And I'm really grateful to you. Bye bye.